Hi everybody, got a busy day today doing demo and review videos, looking at a couple of online course tools, because I'm actually thinking of writing an online course and I want to find the best one for me, but obviously I'll record me testing them both out so that you can see later on. And I have also looking at a pop-up website cookie pop-up GDPR compliance tool that basically sorts out your website so it's totally safe. There's one I'm looking at and a few more, but I'm just going to quickly show you this, and I've put the link to this webinar in the description of this video. Scalenut, my AI tool of choice. It's important to make a distinction between AI writers and a tool that does everything, and I think that Scalenut is not just a writer, it does SEO. A lot of people talking about ChatGPT at the moment, probably because it's free. But there are a lot of tools that actually use that technology and do something useful with it. I'm not saying that you can't use ChatGPT. Scalenut, to me, very reasonably priced, and some of the amazing tools, for example, the Google Chrome plugin. I can be anywhere basically on the internet, might be on a Facebook page, might be on a YouTube, and I click on the Scalenut plugin. It's a little icon that pops up, and I can rewrite text. You know, maybe, listen, I'm not big into copying people's articles. I'm not into writing fake AI articles. I've tried a couple of tools like that to review them. I'm into changing my content slightly if I'm having a bit of a slow day and I want to maybe borrow a paragraph and slightly rewrite it, or actually refreshing my own stuff. So I love Scalenut. It's really good. Now, the reason I'm just making this quick video is that they've got a mega launch and it's going to be a webinar, and they've got some game-changing features coming up. If you've not got an AI writer yet, I suggest you reserve your spot at this launch. As I say, I've put the link in the description, and see what they are going to launch next. Last time, as I say, it was that Google Chrome plugin, and also the fact that you can just publish straight from Scalenut into your WordPress site. They're really, I say, ahead of the game, and also competitively priced. You know, if you look at the subscription for Scalenut, you know, it is affordable, and you're not worrying about using up your words. So have a look at that, everybody. I'm going to crack on making me videos now. The link's in the description, and the webinar, which I'll be on as well, is in 19 days. So reserve it now, and then obviously you don't forget, and hopefully you'll be able to see it. See you soon, everybody.